Hi, my name is Rick Tallian. I work for ABB Robotics. I'm the Consumer Industry Segment Manager for the United States. And today I'm here to help you select your pick, pack, palletized robots. When selecting a robot for a high-speed picking application, there are 5 key elements to select: vision guidance, conveyor tracking, robot specification, environment, and programming requirements. Vision guidance and conveyor tracking are used when we have randomly oriented products entering the work cell, as we have in this application. The combination of utilizing vision guidance and conveyor tracking together allows the robot to continuously pick and place products in the work cell. The key points for robot specification are robot reach, performance, payload, and product presentation. The reach of the robot is dependent on the distance between the pick and place location, as well as how far you have to pick the product up, as well as how far you have to place it into the case. When handling multiple products at one time, the payload's important. This robot is capable of handling up to 30 kilograms payload on each pick and place cycle, which allows you to pick up multiple products per cycle. The next thing you need to look at is the environment that the robot has to be placed in. That's one of the most critical requirements in a packaging application is floor space. The IRB 140 behind me that's reintroducing the parts to the system is taking up virtually no additional floor space. Actually, it's even less than an operator. One of the most critical elements in selecting the robot is selecting the correct programming environment. What we see today is all of these robots, including the IRB 360, is operating on our Pickmaster software. Pickmaster allows very easy implementation of the robots, as well as it virtually eliminates all the programming of the robot. That means virtually no lines of code are written for the robot. Today we've identified the key elements in selecting your robotics for picking, packing, and palletizing applications. Our customers today are implementing robotic packaging applications that run 22 to 24 hours a day. These systems improve quality, increase speed, and reduce or eliminate the human handling of products such as food. Feel free to contact your local ABB Robotics expert for an assessment.